Trying to get some lighting for y'all. I can't get my camera. I gotta bend down because y'all ain't seeing nothing but my head. I mean my damn chest. Alright, that works. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog. Back up in here with another one of them things. Tonight, man, I'm sitting outside smoking, man. And I've smoked this cigar a couple times before. But it's called, I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can't see that. But it's called a Chillin' Moose 2. And I've been watching some stuff on YouTube or whatnot, and one of the main things on one of the channels I watch, they talk about what pairs good with cigars, like as far as drink wise. And y'all know, you know what I'm saying, I drank my Wolf Reserve, my bourbons and stuff like that, Wolf Reserve, you know what I'm saying, Willet, Eagles Rare, stuff like that. And I recently just tried the scotches. You know what I'm saying? But another thing that they said that paired good with the cigar was the cream soda, man. So I'm finna spark, man. I'm finna light up, and I'm gonna see what this cream soda hit like with the cigar. Now this Chillin' Moose, man, it's a little on the cheaper side of cigars, man. It's about, I think I spent, how much I spent for this cigar? I think it was like $7 or something like that. Y'all see that? That cherry on that thing. $9.51. So daylight savings time now, man. So it's, what time you get dark about? I think you got dark about 5. So I'm kind of getting a late start. But I was actually in there watching some TV with Ash, and looking at some house stuff, remodeling and selling and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, man, this a good smoke, I think. I haven't gotten to the point to where like I can tell like all of the flavors and stuff that's in the cigar. I ain't got to that part yet. So I just enjoy a good smoke. If it's smooth, it ain't biting too hard. Like, you know, a cigar, man, when it's biting it, you know, it kind of like burn your tongue, have your tongue feeling funny. Like, it don't be like that. So I know that much, but yeah. I ain't got to that part yet, because I don't really taste too much. Like how them guys be saying it, but they be saying they tasting chocolate and walnuts and all kind of shit. Like I I don't taste that yet. But man, I will say, you know, as far as cigar content goes, I will be I will give my opinions on certain cigars. The leaf, you know what I'm saying, the leaf is, you know what I'm saying, what they wrap the cigar, what they wrap the tobacco in. You know, you got your, like this is a dark leaf, but you got leaves that's darker than this, and then you got leaves that's lighter than this. I started off on a light leaf, and they used to make me sick. Like I ain't gonna say they used to make me sick, but they used to make it to the point to where I felt like I was nauseous. Like it felt like I was dead high that I was nauseous. And man, that's too much light. Yeah, it made it like I was nauseous, and it was like I ain't really liked it. I wonder, can y'all see it now? Y'all still can't see it. But yeah, hold on, I put the light on. But yeah, and they usually say like those of the lighter leaves, man, should be like smoother. Like this is like a mid-ways leaf. Like it's mild, it's cool. You know, you get to them darker leaves, boy, you be high as a bird. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna tell you the truth. And but I ain't gonna lie, it's like I gravitated more towards these because it was like those, like I said, those make me feel how I feel. So I really haven't smoked one of those since. So I just kind of gravitated to these, man. They feel good, you know what I'm saying? They do what they're supposed to do. Like I said, it's like I said in previous videos, it's all gonna be on your preference anyway. It's gonna be whatever your tolerance is. But yeah. But we gonna get into that, you know, in another video once I get everything set up with the man cave and my lounge, my cigar lounge, you know what I'm saying? Once I get everything set up in there, we're gonna sit in there and we're gonna talk, man. We're gonna talk and have some good discussions about cigars. We're gonna discuss prices on cigars, humidors, man, how to humidify your humidor. I said your humidor, your humidor. I said prices on cigars, different leaves, man, yeah, different origins. Now we're gonna talk about all that. And we gonna smoke. We definitely gonna smoke. So man, if y'all joining the channel, man, you know what I'm saying, I would hope that, you know what I'm saying, if I'm gonna be doing some cigar content, man, I would hope that y'all will step in and enjoy a nice cigar with me, man, while y'all watching the video. I really would. I would hope that. You know what I'm saying? Because why not? Get you some good ash on that thing. Good even ash. Oh, We're gonna discuss lighters. We're gonna discuss ashtrays. We're gonna discuss all that, man. Like we're gonna be on all that. Cause I gotta get some ashtrays and stuff like that. Fair in there, man, while I'm in there chilling. Terminology, all that. So, that being said, man, let me try this cream soda. See what this cream soda do. Not bad. For not bad for something that got acid in it. It ain't even adding that bite to it at the end. So I guess that's cool. I mean, it still got its full flavor and everything. You know, when you do certain stuff with certain things, it attacks your taste buds, so it takes like the flavor away from stuff. But it ain't doing that with the cream soda. Now I will say, even with the bourbons, the alcohol that I drink, you know what I'm saying, when I smoke, it add that bite. You know what I'm saying? Like your tongue, like it be sensitive to it. So, you know what I'm saying, you hit the cigar or whatever, and you know what I'm saying, you hit your whiskey or your bourbon or whatever you drink and you hit it, you kinda burn your tongue a little bit. Like it kind of bite a little bit. The cream soda ain't doing that. So it look like water and cream soda is, you know what I'm saying? They definitely got their place with the cigar look like. Okay. That works. Y'all do know cigars are just for jaw smoking, right? They're just jaw smokes. You don't inhale a cigar. There's some people that do, you know what I'm saying? And you know, they blow out their nose and all that. You don't inhale a cigar. Don't do that. You pull, blow it back out. That's it. Do not inhale these. I don't even know what happened if you inhale these. You probably cough your lungs up. But, yeah, man. I think I took up enough of y'all time. Don't forget, man, to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, man, please do so. Please check the links out in the description, man. About these cigars. Not about the cigars, but about some of the stuff that I have. You know what I'm saying? My setups and things like that. Even if you're not buying anything that's linked, just go to the link. Click the link. It's gonna take you to Amazon. You search Amazon for whatever it is that you're looking for, and go from there. But yeah. That being said, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, man. Mr. Ain't Man himself. I'll catch y'all on the next one.